Okay, so jumping on Twitter, looking around, didn't expect to see anything crazy. But lo and behold, Shonen Jump decides to surprise me with probably one of the funniest things I've seen all day. I don't know what's going on with them. Whoever runs the account must be salty about something. Not sure what, but boy, did they get mad and salty about this. So, with no context whatsoever, they tweet out, I don't know what's worse. Angry little fans saying everything is a garbage or trash series, or internet, which I'm guessing is internet, just messed up. Tough guys dropping quotations mid everywhere. Hating popular things does not make you smart. Let's try to keep things on this timeline a bit more positive. I don't know what mid in quotations means. Maybe this is some new hip slang I'm not up with. I don't know. But I find this funny. So obviously the internet is a pretty negative place, right? So especially Twitter, I'm sure every time they make a post, people go, it's garbage. That stinks. That sucks. I'm pretty sure every time they post something. So whoever's working the app or whoever's working the Twitter account, probably looking at this every day and got salty and posts this. I would say it's a safe bet that they're going to get in trouble and reprimanded. I hope they don't get fired. It's probably not the smartest thing. I don't know what mid means. I wish I did. Somebody let me know in the comments if you know what that is. But they're having a bad day. Bad day. I'm not mad at them. I really like their app. $2, everybody, for the Shonen Jump app. You get pretty much everything they've ever published. It's awesome. I'm on that thing every day reading stuff because it's nice. It's like having a vault of like everything in your hands. Like, plus I got the big iPad. I can read everything. It's really nice. But yeah, this is really funny. They're having a bad day. Bad day over there.